How to delete photos from iPhone and iCloud. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Photos application on your phone. Here, you can view all the photos and videos on your phone. Open any photo from here. Then, go to the bottom right corner and tap on the Delete icon. Tap on Delete Photo to confirm. Then, scroll down to the Utilities section and go to Recently Deleted. You can view all your recently deleted photos over here. Open the photo you just deleted and tap on Delete at the bottom left corner. Tap on Delete from this iPhone to confirm. You have now successfully deleted this photo from your phone. Following these steps, you can easily delete photos from iPhone and iCloud. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.